Just sign up for an account. It's completely free and you can get started right away. Next, you want to go to Amazon and search up any product that you like. And I suggest choosing something that's a little bit more expensive, like a higher ticket product that you could get bigger commissions from. Home gadgets, kitchen gadgets are always a great seller all year round. They're an evergreen product, an evergreen niche. So I did this coffee machine and I'm going to show you how to get your affiliate link. On top of your product, it's going to say get link, so you're going to click get link text, and there's your affiliate link there, which you share, and then once you click on your link and purchases, you get a commission for it. And I'm going to show you how to make the picture look better so you can start promoting it. So for the picture, you want to head over to Canva, create an account, you can start with a free month with Canva Pro, which I highly suggest, and it will create you with their AI tools, free templates like this, and all you have to do is choose your colors, choose your style. Literally is the easiest thing to do in Canva right now. Just utilize their Canva Pro tools for the ones that you have to break. Just try it out. So now we're going to create a product description with ChatGPT. So head back to Amazon and get the link to the product. Ask ChatGPT to write a descriptive SEO friendly keyword Pinterest title and description for the following product. Here's from the product URL, and then ChatGPT will give you loads of different examples. You can tweak it as much as you want, you can ask it to do it again, you can ask it to take out different things and make it a different style, but I just like to keep it super simple, and then copy the text and description over to Pinterest. And Pinterest is where you really get your traffic. It's all organic. I don't use any paid ads on Pinterest at all. Just upload the image that you just made on Canva, copy and paste the title and description that ChatGPT gave you, make sure it's a business account on Pinterest, hit publish,